I know they wanna come and separate us, but they can't do us nothing. Cause I wanna considered wifey and I'm considered husband. And I'm the way you look at it, I ain't going nowhere from a muffin. She gon' hold it down, ain't nobody tell her nothing.
This custom Harley motorcycle was obtained from a friend of my grandfather, a retired soldier. He no longer has an interest in this bike, as he already owns a genuine Harley-Davidson, so he gave it to me free of charge. I then tried to clean it using a chemical solution mixed with soap. The formula is a blend created by my mentor, who is a chemistry expert, and it is designed to remove all kinds of dirt from the motorcycle's bodywork. Here is a short clip of the process. I apologize if it does not meet your expectations. First, I applied a soapy solution combined with chemical agents to loosen and remove the mud from the motorcycle. Then, I spread the soap evenly using a sponge until it was thoroughly applied. After that, I rinsed it off using a high-pressure water spray. The final finishing stage was carried out in the motorcycle treatment area, where it was repainted neatly until it looked like new.